package. So, oh my gosh, guys, I've been waiting for so long for this package, and I am ecstatic to show you guys what's inside of here. It's something that I really need, something I've actually been wanting for a long time. I've seen models similar to it, and coincidentally, I happen to receive a PR package from a company. I'm gonna tag them below. Oh my gosh, like I can't be happy enough. Like, I was waiting for this to come. They've been waiting to receive them, and man, they're here now. So can you guys guess what's in here? Can you take a guess? If not, I'm gonna show you right now. Ready? Okay, let's open it up. So I've got some scissors. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. If you guessed it correctly, it is a new light, and the reason why I had to get this new light, or that I was very grateful, is because I have the glam core over there in the corner, and it's not the best lighting for lashes and things like that. It worked for the time being of the era that it was good for, but now I need something that's going to light up, you know, a little bit better. I don't have to use multiple lights. I don't have to use a different light when I'm taking pictures or videos and recording and making content. This light is going to help me with all of that. So let's see what's inside. We can see this is the power source here from what it looks like. Let's see. There is a cord here of some sort. There's a remote, which I think is awesome too. This base is huge. This is really cool for my ladies. There's been a few of you who have either had the light dropped on you before. It happens to the best of us, or it's accidentally almost been dropped on you. This thing is so heavy. It's probably about like a 1.5 pound weight, maybe even 2 pounds. This is good. We can record. This is good, guys. We are able to have our mount. Has some pieces that goes to it. It looks like it's adjustable to be able to maneuver around. So far, so good. Right here, this is the moon shape lighting. So we'll go over the bed so that way I can see my client's angles and I don't have to lean or adjust the lights while I'm working. This is really freaking good. I'm excited about this. This is gonna be very easy to put together. It's really about 4 pieces. So let's put this baby together. I don't think we need. So I have everything laid out on the floor behind me. So let's build this baby up.
Setting it up was super simple. It only took about 5 minutes.
We are on the final touches. This part is super cool because you can adjust it. Very simple. It goes up or down. I'm going to lower it just because I'm short. I'm only 5'2" and I need to be able to see. Now, this other part that's super cool is when you clamp it onto this pole, there's a little lock right here, like a latch. That way you don't have to worry about it falling. The camera's very secure. There's like a rubber piece in here, which will cause friction for it to not have to move or, you know, disable it from moving or sliding. So you just take it, clip it in the area that you want, which I'm going to leave these little knobs right here, but you can see how tight you want it to be. So I'm going to pull that one like that and then just bend it so I can lock it. And we have the remote clip, which I'm just going to clip onto there like that. And the remote is going to slide in there so easily. You never have to worry about losing it. Just place it back. When you need the lighting to go up, down, we'll play with the lighting later. You can just slide it right on in there. Perfecto, perfect. Okay, so it fit perfectly. You guys can see my bed is there. This is here, and then when I pull my stool in, I can work without it getting in the way or risk the light falling down on my client. So 10 out of 10, recommend. Wonderful. All right, so we've got everything set up, and as I mentioned, there are no batteries in this remote yet, so we're going to manually turn it on and see what it does. We have the moon shape over here, so it is flush with the client. It gives you great lighting from all points of view. We have this recording source here if we want to use that. So let's see how the lighting goes. Let's see how it works. Oh, so we can dim it, make it bright or dim. And then this, oh, this does like warm, super cool lighting. Oh yeah, everything that you can do with the remote, you can basically do here. And then you have the night light. I'm pretty sure that's what this button will do.
Be sure to check out their Instagram. They have tons of items on there that you can find and would appreciate. Also, if you go on their website, it'll be easy to find it. You just go to the search, type in half moon light, and it's going to be one of the first options to show up. Once you click on it, you'll see the options for the black light and the white light. Choose the one that's best for you. And trust me, you guys, this light is so amazing.
Okay guys, that's a wrap up of this video. And again, my name is Victoria Evans. I'm the owner of Plush Beauty Lounge, and I want to thank the boutique company for sending me this beautiful moonlight. They have it in several colors. They have it in white or black. Again, my decor is of course black. So I want to thank them for considering that, sending me this light, allowing me to give them an honest review, and I am going to enjoy making content with this light as well as working, you know, more gracefully and more peacefully with this lighting without struggling and constantly trying to adjust my glam core light for you know, being able to give my clients a beautiful set of lashes or a beautiful set of permanent makeup, or even tattooing, whatever service I'm doing, whether it's a lash lift or whatever. I now have lighting that's going to accommodate me to provide an exceptional service, as well as give you guys some good content, some good photos and things like that. So you guys stay tuned for more content and check out the things that I'm going to be posting now that I have the lighting to be able to accommodate those things without me constantly have to shuffle from different devices. This makes it so much easier for me. Also, if you guys subscribe to their page, you guys can get up to 20% off on this light. It's $99.99 right now, so $100. But if you subscribe, you're gonna get a 20% discount. You do the math. That is a great deal. Go on their website. I'll show you guys how to get there. I've tagged them. You guys get your lights and tell me what you think. You guys stay safe, and until next time, bye.